Question number 1. What color is associated with sphere? Option A red, option B blue, option C yellow, option D green. The correct answer is B blue. Question number 2. Which shade is closest to crimson? Option A dark red, option B bright yellow, option C light blue, option D pale green. The correct answer is A dark red. Question number 3. The color chartreuse is a mix of which two colors? A red and blue, B yellow and green, C blue and green, D red and yellow. The correct answer is B yellow and green. Question number 4. What color is ebony typically used to describe? A black, B white, C purple, D orange. The correct answer is A black. Question number 5. Amber is a shade of which color family? A blue, B green, C yellow, D red. The correct answer is C yellow. Question number 6. What color does azure represent? Option A purple, B sky blue, C light green, D dark red. The correct answer is B sky blue.
Question number 7. The term cerulean refers to a shade of option A orange, option B blue, option C pink, option D gray. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Correct answer is B blue. Question number 8. Which of the following best describes mauve? Option A light purple, option B bright yellow, option C dark green, option D pale red. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Correct answer is A light purple. Question number 9. The color vermilion is best described as option A bright red, option B deep blue, option C pale yellow, option D rich green. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Correct answer is A bright red. Question number 10. Olive is a shade that combines green and option A yellow, option B blue, option C red, option D black. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Correct answer is A yellow. Question number 11. The color indigo is found between which two colors in a rainbow? Option A blue and violet, option B red and orange, option C yellow and green, option D green and blue. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Correct answer is A blue and violet. Question number 12. What does taupe refer to? Option A a pale orange, option B a grayish brown, option C a bright green, option D a dark purple. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Correct answer is B a grayish brown. Question number 13. Scarlet is a shade of option A blue, option B green, option C red, option D yellow. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Correct answer is C red. Question number 14. Which of these is closest to the color turquoise? Option A pale blue, option B light green, option C a mix of blue and green, option D dark red. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Correct answer is C a mix of blue and green. Question number 15. Ivory is often associated with which of the following shades? Option A pure white, option B off-white, option C light gray, option D cream. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Correct answer is B off-white. Question number 16. What is the color peach best described as? Option A soft pink orange, option B deep red, option C pale yellow, option D bright orange. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Correct answer is A. Soft pink orange. Question number 17. The term maroon refers to which shade? Option A. Light red. Option B. Dark reddish brown. Option C. Bright purple. Option D. Deep blue. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Correct answer is B. Dark reddish brown. Question number 18. Charcoal is a shade of option A. Light gray. Option B. Dark gray. Option C. Pure black. Option D. Pale white. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Correct answer is B. Dark gray. Question number 19. What color is represented by fuchsia? Option A. Bright pink. Option B. Soft orange. Option C. Pale yellow. Option D. Deep red. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Correct answer is A. Bright pink. Question number 20. Periwinkle is best described as a mix of option A. Red and purple. Option B. Blue and purple. Option C. Green and yellow. Option D. Blue and green. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Correct answer is B. Blue and purple. Question number 21. What is the closest shade to khaki? Option A. Bright yellow. Option B. Tan. Option C. Light green. Option D. Pale orange. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Correct answer is B. Tan. Question number 22. The term lime refers to which type of green? Option A. Dark green. Option B. Bright green. Option C. Pale green. Option D. Olive green. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Correct answer is B. Bright green. Question number 23. What color is teal? Option A. Blue-green. Option B. Light purple. Option C. Deep red. Option D. Dark orange. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Correct answer is A. Blue-green. Question number 24. Which of these is closest to the color salmon? Option A. Pale orange pink. Option B. Bright red. Option C. Light blue. Option D. Deep purple. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Correct answer is A. Pale orange pink. Question number 25. Beige is a mix of white and option A. Black. Option B. Brown. Option C. Green. Option D. Yellow. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Correct answer is B. Brown. Question number 26. The term goldenrod is associated with which family? Option A. Yellow. Option B. Blue. Option C. Green. Option D. Red. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Correct answer is A. Yellow. Question number 27. Lavender is a light shade of which color? Option A. Purple. Option B. Blue. Option C. Red. Option D. Green. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Correct answer is A. Purple. Question number 28. What is the primary color in coral? Option A. Pink. Option B. Orange. Option C. Yellow. Option D. Blue. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Correct answer is B. Orange. Question number 29. The shade cinnamon is best described as option A. Deep orange brown. Option B. Bright red. Option C. Pale yellow. Option D. Dark gray. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Correct answer is A. Deep orange brown. Question number 30. Navy is a deep shade of option A. Red. Option B. Blue. Option C. Green. Option D. Yellow. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Correct answer is B. Blue. Question number 31. Mint is a pale version of option A. Green. Option B. Blue. Option C. Yellow. Option D. White. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Correct answer is A. Green. Question number 32. Which color is closest to burgundy? Option A. Bright purple. Option B. Deep red. Option C. Light orange. Option D. Dark blue. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Correct answer is B, deep red. Question number 33. Ochre is best described as A. Option A, bright yellow. Option B, golden yellow. Option C, deep green. Option D, pale orange. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Correct answer is B, golden yellow. Question number 34. What is plum typically associated with? Option A, red. Option B, purple. Option C, orange. Option D, brown. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Correct answer is B, purple. Question number 35. Which color is mustard closest to? Option A, pale yellow. Option B, bright yellow. Option C, brownish yellow. Option D, greenish yellow. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Correct answer is C, brownish yellow. Question number 36. Ebony and jet are shades of which color? Option A, white. Option B, black. Option C, gray. Option D, brown. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Correct answer is B, black. Question number 37. Snow is a pure shade of. Option A, gray. Option B, blue. Option C, white. Option D, cream. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Correct answer is C, white. Question number 38. What is the color copper best described as? Option A, deep red orange. Option B, light brown. Option C, bright orange. Option D, pale yellow. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Correct answer is A, deep red orange. Question number 39. Which of these is closest to the color rust? Option A, deep orange red. Option B, bright yellow. Option C, light gray. Option D, dark green. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Correct answer is A, deep orange red. Question number 40. Pearl is associated with which shade? Option A, bright white. Option B, off-white. Option C, pale gray. Option D, cream. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Correct answer is B, off-white. Question number 41. Which shade does jade represent? Option A, deep green. Option B, light blue. Option C, pale yellow. Option D, dark gray. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Correct answer is A, deep green. Question number 42. Magenta is a mix of which two colors? Option A, red and blue. Option B, purple and yellow. Option C, pink and red. Option D, green and red. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Correct answer is A, red and blue. Question number 43. Cyan is a shade of which color family? Option A, green. Option B, blue. Option C, yellow. Option D, red. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Correct answer is B, blue. Question number 44. Which of these colors is closest to amethyst? Option A, bright purple. Option B, deep green. Option C, light orange. Option D, pale blue. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Correct answer is A, bright purple. Question number 45. What color is sienna? Option A, reddish brown. Option B, bright red. Option C, light gray. Option D, deep purple. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Correct answer is A, reddish brown.